Leaders and managers of forward-thinking corporations. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving business landscape, the ability to think critically and adapt quickly is more important than ever. But how can you ensure that your team is not only keeping up but leading the charge with innovative solutions and strategic thinking? In this video, we'll dive into the powerful critical thinking workshop model, specifically designed to transform the way your employees approach problem-solving and decision-making. We'll explore the 5 C's of critical thinking that guide your team through a structured process, ensuring that they don't just scratch the surface, but dig deep into every challenge, creating actionable and sustainable solutions. We'll also break down the 8 dimensions, 8 Ds, rooted in the Myers-Briggs framework. These dimensions tap into the unique strengths of each personality type within your team, fostering a collaborative environment where diverse perspectives come together to spark innovation. By the end of this video, you'll understand how implementing these tools can empower your employees to think more creatively, act more decisively, and contribute to the overall success of your organization. So stay with us and discover how this approach can turn your team into a powerhouse of critical thinkers, capable of navigating the complexities of today's business world with confidence and clarity. The 5 C's of the Critical Thinking Workshop Model. The 5 C's of the Critical Thinking Workshop Model represent the key stages of thought that guide participants through a structured process of problem-solving and decision-making. Each stage is designed to help participants develop a deeper understanding of the issues at hand, leading to more comprehensive and effective solutions. Here's an explanation of each C, along with the rationale for why it's crucial in the workshop setting. Conceptualizing what it is. Conceptualizing involves forming and defining new ideas or concepts. This stage encourages participants to think creatively and generate novel ideas that may not have been considered before. Rationale. In the workshop, conceptualizing is essential because it pushes participants to step outside their usual patterns of thinking. By encouraging creativity and innovation, this stage helps to break down mental barriers and allows for the exploration of new possibilities. It sets the foundation for all subsequent stages, ensuring the group starts with a broad and imaginative perspective. 2. Cognizing what it is. Cognizing is the process of becoming aware of and internalizing the ideas and information generated during the conceptualization phase. It involves processing and understanding the relevance and implications of these ideas. Rationale. Cognizing is vital in the workshop because it ensures that participants fully understand the concepts they are working with. By internalizing and reflecting on the information, participants can better grasp the significance of the ideas, leading to more informed and thoughtful discussions. This stage also helps to filter and refine the ideas, ensuring that only the most relevant and feasible ones are carried forward. 3. Comprehending what it is. Comprehending involves gaining a deep understanding of the concepts and ideas being considered. It requires participants to analyze, interpret, and relate the information to different contexts, ensuring a well-rounded understanding. Rationale. Comprehending is crucial because it moves participants beyond surface-level understanding. In the workshop, this stage ensures that all aspects of a problem or idea are fully explored and understood from multiple perspectives. This comprehensive understanding is necessary for developing solutions that are both effective and sustainable, as it considers all relevant factors and potential implications. 4. Characterizing what it is. Characterizing involves giving shape and structure to the ideas and concepts that have been comprehended. This stage focuses on describing the characteristics, implications, and practical applications of the ideas. Rationale. Characterizing is important because it helps to translate abstract ideas into concrete plans and actions. In the workshop, this stage enables participants to clarify and articulate their ideas in a way that can be practically implemented. It ensures that the ideas are not only theoretically sound, but also feasible and actionable in the real world. Concluding what it is. Concluding is the process of making decisions and drawing final conclusions from the ideas and information that have been processed through the previous stages. It involves synthesizing all the insights gained to arrive at actionable solutions. Rationale. Concluding is the culmination of the critical thinking process, where all the work done in the previous stages comes together. In the workshop, this stage is critical because it translates thought into action. By drawing well-informed and comprehensive conclusions, participants are able to propose solutions that are both innovative and practical, ensuring that the outcomes of the workshop are impactful and implementable. Overall rationale for the 5 C's in the workshop. The 5 C's model is designed to guide participants through a structured yet flexible thought process that ensures all aspects of a problem are thoroughly explored. Each stage builds on the previous one, leading to a deep and well-rounded understanding of the issue at hand. By moving from creative ideation, conceptualizing, to practical application, concluding, the model ensures that the critical thinking process is both comprehensive and actionable. In a workshop setting, this structured approach helps participants stay focused, encourages collaboration, and ensures that diverse perspectives are considered. It fosters an environment where creative and logical thinking are balanced, leading to solutions that are innovative, feasible, and aligned with the needs and goals of the organization. The 5 C's model not only enhances individual critical thinking skills, but also promotes collective problem solving, making it an invaluable tool for any corporate training or collaborative setting. The 8 dimensions, 8 Ds of Myers-Briggs used in the critical thinking workshop. In the context of the critical thinking workshop, the 8 Ds represent the 8 dimensions derived from the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI. These dimensions help structure the workshop by leveraging the diverse cognitive approaches of participants, ensuring a comprehensive and balanced problem-solving process. Here's how each dimension is used. 1. Energy direction, extroversion versus introversion. Extroversion. Individuals who prefer extroversion focus their energy outward, engaging with the external world through interaction, discussion, and active participation. In the workshop, these participants often lead in group discussions, bringing energy and external perspectives to the table. Introversion. Introverted individuals focus their energy inward, reflecting on ideas and internal processes before sharing their thoughts. They bring depth and a well-considered perspective to discussions, often providing thoughtful insights after careful reflection. 2. Focus, sensing versus intuition. Sensing. Sensing individuals prefer to focus on concrete, tangible details and practical realities. In the workshop, they contribute by ensuring that solutions are grounded in reality and backed by observable data and facts. Intuitive individuals look for patterns, possibilities, and abstract connections. They excel in generating innovative ideas and exploring future possibilities, often pushing the group to consider unconventional approaches. 3. Conclusion direction, thinking versus feeling. Thinking. Those who prefer thinking make decisions based on logic, objective analysis, and principles. In the workshop, they help ensure that solutions are rational, fair, and systematically derived, focusing on the most logical outcomes. Feeling. F. Feeling individuals prioritize empathy, values, and personal considerations in decision-making. They contribute by ensuring that the human and emotional aspects of solutions are considered, advocating for outcomes that promote harmony and respect for individual values. 4. Preference direction, judging versus perceiving. Judging. Judging individuals prefer structure, organization, and clear plans. In the workshop, they help keep the process on track, ensuring that discussions are focused and that decisions are made efficiently with a clear action plan. Perceiving. Perceiving individuals are more flexible, adaptable, and open-ended in their approach. They contribute by encouraging the group to remain open to new information and possibilities, allowing for a more dynamic and exploratory problem-solving process. 5. Problem-solving orientation. This dimension examines how participants approach problem-solving, contrasting those who favor systematic, structured approaches, often linked to judging types, with those who thrive in more fluid and adaptable environments, linked to perceiving types. 6. Information processing, sensing versus intuition. This dimension relates to how participants prefer to gather and process information. Sensing types focus on detailed, factual data, while intuitive types seek out patterns and theoretical connections, enriching the workshop with diverse ways of understanding and analyzing problems. Decision-making style, thinking versus feeling. This dimension is key in how participants make decisions during the workshop. Thinking types emphasize logic and consistency, while feeling types bring in ethical and emotional considerations, ensuring that decisions are both rational and compassionate. 8. Adaptability and flexibility. Judging versus perceiving. This dimension assesses how participants handle change and ambiguity. Judging types prefer a clear, structured approach, while perceiving types are more comfortable with ambiguity and last-minute changes, contributing to the workshop's adaptability in real-time scenarios. By integrating these 8 dimensions into the workshop, the critical thinking process benefits from a wide range of perspectives, ensuring that solutions are not only logical and practical, but also innovative, adaptable, and considerate of all stakeholders. This comprehensive approach leverages the full spectrum of cognitive styles represented by the Myers-Briggs framework, making the workshop a powerful tool for collaborative problem-solving and decision-making.